In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a dynamic manage item page in Wix Studio. Start by logging into your Wix Studio account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site opens, click Edit Site to enter the editor. From the left toolbar, click CMS. This is where you manage the content that powers your dynamic pages. You can either create a new collection or open an existing one, depending on how your site is set up. If your collection is empty, go ahead and add your collection items first. This is important because your dynamic item page will use that content to display individual entries. After your collection is ready, move to the left toolbar again and click Pages and Menu. In the left panel, select Dynamic Pages. This section lets you create pages that automatically pull content from your CMS collection. Next, click Add Dynamic Page. Wix Studio will ask you to choose the CMS collection that you want to connect to this new page. Select the collection you want to use, then choose Item Page as the dynamic page type. This option creates a page for individual items in your collection. Once that is selected, click Add to Site. Wix Studio will automatically generate the dynamic item page for you. After the page is created, you can begin customizing it inside the editor. Add or select elements such as text boxes, images, buttons, and other content blocks. Then connect each element to the matching CMS field from your collection. For example, you can connect a heading to a title field, an image to an image field, and a button to a link or action field. This allows the page layout to stay the same while the content changes automatically for each item in the collection. When you finish connecting and arranging your elements, click Preview to test the page. In preview mode, check different collection items to make sure the content displays correctly and that the page layout works as expected for each one. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the dynamic item page live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to view individual pages generated from your CMS collection. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.